Well, if you're worried about wrinkles, there is a new cosmetic procedure you may want to look into.
It's cheaper and it takes up less time. CBS 2's Dr. Max Gomez explains.
You can't see anything, nice and smooth.
You might recognize Aviva Drescher as one of the housewives of New York. Clearly an attractive woman, so why is cosmetic dermatologist Dr. Bruce Katz examining her?
I had some marionette lines around here that were getting a little deep, and they didn't look so pretty.
Normally, filling those lines in would mean multiple injections of synthetic fillers. They work well enough, but they're expensive and have to be repeated every 6 or 9 months. Plus,
People get reactions to them. They can get nodules. They can also get bruised very easily because of the multiple needle sticks.
I'd like to plump this area here and maybe down around here.
Lynn Price had some of the same issues as Aviva, and she also wasn't crazy about fillers. Instead, she's having these tiny threads put in. They're made of the same material as dissolvable sutures. Several can be inserted through the same tiny needle stick, depending on how much filling is desired. In just 15 minutes or so, Lynn is rejuvenated.
Absolutely. It looks much better.
While the slight redness fades in a few minutes, the results do not.
They last about 6 months, and as they dissolve, they actually stimulate collagen. So we get longer lasting results. They can last a year, 2 years, even longer. Depends on how many threads we put in each area.
Aviva had her threads done about 4 months ago, and while makeup obviously makes a difference, so does the plumped-up so-called smile and marionette lines.
No downtime at all. I was able to go out right afterwards.
As for cost, depending on how many areas are filled and how many threads are used, the cost is about $200 to $300 for a pair of laugh lines or marionette lines. That's only about 1/4 what the same filling would cost with injectables, and they last longer. Dr. Max Gomez, CBS 2 News.
And to find out more about these fillers or to share the story on social media, you can find a link at cbsnewyork.com. It is under our special featured section.